Welcome back to my channel CK24. Hello, my dear future of country. Today we will discuss child development and pedagogy question in this session, which is very important for your CTET 24. So let's get started. The first question on your screen you can see here. Given below are some statements about boys and girls. According to you, which one of these is true? First, boys should help in activities outside the home. Second, boys should help in household chores. Third, all boys should be taught science and girls home science. Girls should help in household chores or chores, whatever you call. So what would be the appropriate answer of this question? Let's see. B. Boys should help in household chores or chores, whatever you call it. Next question on your screen you can see. Question number 2. A child's notebook shows error in writing like reverse images, mirror imaging, etc. Such a child is showing sign of what? The option here: A. Learning disadvantage, B. Learning disability, C. Learning difficulty, and D. Learning problem. So, what would be the answer? You can see on the screen, that is B. Learning disability. The next question on your screen. In this session, we will discuss 30 questions about children development and pedagogy. So, question number 3 on your screen. Teachers, in order to help learners construct knowledge, need to focus on what? The first option on your screen. A. Making sure the learner memorize everything. B. Scores oblique marks obtained by the learner. And C. Involving the learner for activity participation. And D. Mastering learning of concepts by the learner. What would be the answer? You can see on the screen. We will go with option number C. While teacher is teaching in the class and teachers trying to be construct knowledge, the focus point of the teacher is C. Involving the learner for activity, active participation. Right? The next question on your screen. Question number 4. Giftedness from teacher. Point of view is a combination of first option, high ability, high creativity, high commitment. This is the answer. So what will be the option? A. High ability, high creativity, high commitment. B. High motivation, high commitment, high talent. C. High ability, high talent and high commitment. And D. High talent, high creativity, high memory. So what would be the answer? Always teacher have a points of view is high ability, high creativity, high commitment. The next question on your screen. According to Piaget's theory, children learn by option 1. A. Memorizing information by paying due attention. B. Changing their behavior when offered appropriate rewards. C. Scaffolding provided by more able members of society. And D. Process of adaptation. So, what would be this question's answer? Let's see on the screen. D. Processes of adaptation is very easy, which followed by children, and children learn by it. Who said? According to Piaget. Someone have to learn Piaget's. Right? The next question on your screen you can see. According to NCF 2005, errors are important because they have first, they are an important tool in classifying students into groups of passed and failed. B. Provide a way to the teacher to call the children. C. Provide an insight into the children's thinking and help to identify solutions. And D. Provide a space for removing some children from the class. We have a 4 option. Appropriate option according to NCF 2005. Errors are important. Yes, while I am teaching in the class, I also raise the errors while I am writing, while I am solving the question. Right? So error is very important for what? Let's see. provide an insight into the child's thinking and help to identify solutions. Right? So I have adapted ARAS method to teach the student. The next question on your screen. Question number 7. Out of the box. Thinking is related to what? First option, consistent thinking. B, memory-based thinking. C, divergent thinking. And D, convergent thinking. Let me make you understand. Out of the box, here you can see divergent thinking means in a 360-degree direction they will be think that to solve their problem, right? Convergent thinking in the one way they are thinking, right? So we will go with the option number C. Let's see the answer. Yes, C, divergent thinking is the correct answer. Out of the box thinking related to divergent thinking. The next question on your screen you can see. Question number A. The assessment of students can be used by teachers in teaching to develop insight into what? The first option on your screen. A. Identifying the students who need to be promoted to the higher class. Second, B. Not promoting those students who do not meet school standards. C. Changing the teaching approach according to the learner's need. D. Creating groups of bright and weak students in the class. Very easy, you can choose that because we are teaching our child or children. That is the future of our country. So that's why in the beginning of my session, I have said, hello, my dear future of country. So what would be the appropriate answer of this? Because we are adult, learned, so which step we can choose for it, right? So I think that C is the appropriate answer. So let's see what would be the answer of this question. Yes, C, changing the teaching approach according to the learner's need, right? The next question on your screen you can see, learning experiences should be planned in a manner so as to make learning meaningful. Which of the given learning experiences does not facilitate meaningful learning for the children? Which of the given learning experience does not facilitate meaningful learning for the children? Yes, you are teacher and your always motto to be facilitate the meaningful learning in front of our future of country, that is called children. So what would be the option? And you can see A, repetition based on mere recall of content. B, formulating questions on content. C, discussion and debate on the topic. And D, presentation on the topic. So you can easily choose the option and you can do it. Let's see what would be the answer. Yes, A, repetition based on mere recall of content. Dear, you know, you have a more experience, my dear future of country. Repetition always make man's perfect. Someone have a adaptation is very low, average and high. So you can use your teaching process appropriately to respect the children. So next question on your screen, that is giving punishment, verbal or non-verbal, to the children result in what? First option, motivating them to work. B, protecting the child's image. C, improving their scores. D, damaging their self-concept. So what would be the answer of this question? You can see here. Yes, damaging their self-concept. D. Right? If you are giving the punishment children, verbal or non-verbal, children's result is that damaging their self-concept because children have a limited thinking in childhood. Not I am telling about adult also having. If you are very experienced teacher, so don't use verbal and non-verbal punishment to the children. Otherwise, result will be damaging their self-concept. So, next question on your screen. Question number 11. Which one out of the following provides information about the roles and behaviors which are acceptable in a group during early childhood period? So, we have option 1. Sibling and teachers. B. Teachers and peers. C. Peers and parents. D. Parents and siblings. So, the answer D. Parents and siblings. The next question on your screen. Making students members of cleanliness community to motivate them for the same reflects 1. Socio-culture conception of motivation. B. Behavioristic approach to motivation. C. Humanistic approach to motivation. D. Cognitive approach to motivation. What would be the answer? Answer is A. Socio-culture conceptions of motivation. The next question on your screen you can see. Which of the following age groups falls under the later childhood? First, A. 11 to 18 years. B. 18 to 24 years. C. Birth of 6 years. D. 6 to 11 years. Which of the following age groups fall under the latter childhood? Latter. So answer would be 6 to 11 years. Age groups falls under the latter childhood category. So question number 14 on your screen. Arjab says that language development is influenced by one's innate predisposition, while Sonali feels that it is because of the environment. This discussion between Arjav and Sonali about what? First, A. Critical and sensitive feeling. B. Stability and instability argument. C. Continuous and discontinuous learning. D. Nature and nature debate. So, what would be the answer? You can see nature and nature debate. Arjav says that language development is influenced by one's innate predisposition, while Sonali feels that it is because of the environment. Here is the environment included in the question. So, this discussion between Arjav and Sonali about nature and nurture debate. Nature and nurture debate. So, it is clear. Okay. Next question on your screen, that is 50. The teachers notice that Puspa cannot solve a problem on her own. However, she does so in the presence of adult or peer guidance. This guidance is called what? 1. A. Lateralization. B. Pre-operational thinking. C. Zone of proximal development. D. Scaffolding. So, would be the answer? D. Scaffolding is the appropriate answer of this one. The such type of guidance called scaffolding. What? The teacher noticed that Pushpa cannot solve a problem on her own. However, she does so in the presence of adult or peer guidance. The next question on your screen. A teacher labeled the head of committee as chairperson instead of chairman. It indicates that the teacher A. follows a more acceptable term. B. has a good command of language. C. is using a gender-free language. D. has a gender bias. So what would be the answer? You can see. Yes, C. is using gender-free language. Next question on your screen. Question number 70. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation is essential for what? A. Finite tuning of test with the teaching. B. Diluting the accountability of the Board of Education. C. Correcting less frequent errors more than more frequent errors. D. Understanding how learning can be observed, recorded, and improved on. So, continuous and comprehensive evaluation is essential for what? So, let's see the answer. D. Understanding how learning can be observed, recorded, and improved upon. The next question on your screen. Question number 18. In Lawrence Kohlberg's theory, which level signifies the absence of morality in the true sense? The option number A, level 3, option number B, level 4, option number C, level 1, and option number D, level 2. I think that Lawrence Kohlberg had divided the theory in level. So, morality in the true sense is what? In which level? Let's see the answer. Level 1. Right? According to Lawrence Kohlberg's theory. Next question on your screen. 19th question. Which one of the following is not correct for the progressive model of socialization of children? The first option on your screen. A. Activate participation in group work and learning social skills. B. Children accept what they are offered by the social irrespective of their social background. C. There should be a place of democracy in the classroom. D. Socialization is an adaptation of social norms. What would be the answer of this question? Let's see. B. Children accept what they are offered by the school irrespective of their social background. Right? So, B is the appropriate answer of this question number 19. Question number 20. In learning, assessment is essential for what? 1. A. Grades and marks. B. Screening test. C. Motivation. D. Fostering of the purpose of segregation and ranking. What would be the answer of this one? C. Motivation. In learning, assessment is essential for motivation. That students also know about where we are focus and apply our effort to be make improvement in their learning. So motivation, assessment is essential for motivation. The next question on your screen, that is a 21. Fitting new information into existing skills is known as A. Accommodation, B. Equilibration, C. Assimilation, D. Organization. What would be the option for this question? Fitting new information into existing schemes is known as what? That is assimilation. Next question on your screen, 22. We all differ in terms of our intelligence, no doubt, motivation, interest, etc. We all in this world, my dear future of country, differ in terms of our intelligence, motivation, interest, etc. These principles refer to whom? Let's see one. A. Individual difference. B. Theories of intelligence. C. Heredity. D. Environment. What would be the appropriate answer? That is individual difference. Yes, all differ in terms of intelligence, motivation, interest, etc. That individual difference, right? Okay. The next question on your screen, that is students of disadvantaged groups should be taught along with the normal students. It implies that what? So option number A, inclusive education. B, special education. C, integrated education. D, exclusive education. I think that inclusive education, because both students are sitting together, no? So let's see. A is the appropriate answer of this question. So such type of question will be asked in CTET 2024 exam. So I advise all of the future of country, those are watching this video. The next question on your screen, that is question number 24. Anyone can become angry. Very good, that is easy. But to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, at the right time, for the right purposes, and in the right way, that is not easy. Again, I am repeating this question. This is also all over the world. Humanity resonate this sentence. Anyone can become angry, that is easy. But to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, at the right time, for the right purposes, and in the right way, that is not easy. This is related to what? Option we have: A. Emotional development, B. Social development, C. Cognitive development, D. Physical development. So what would be the answer of this question? Let's see. Emotional development is appropriate for this question. The next question on your screen, you can see deficiency in the ability to write associated with impaired handwriting is a symptoms of dysgraphia, B. Dyspraxia, C. Dyscalculia, D. Dyslexia. We have a four options. These option and these terms are very important, playing role in your teaching or in your CTET examination. So I advise to you, you will go learn about this term in detail. So ability to write deficiency, that is dysgraphia. I hope this is the answer of this question. Let's see. Yes, dysgraphia is the appropriate deficiency to the ability to write. So next question on your screen, you can see, according to Piaget theory, which one out of the following will not influence one's cognitive development? A. Language. B. Social experiences. C. Maturation. D. Activity. What would be the answer according to Piaget? That is B. Social experiences. The next question on your screen, question number 27. Which of these does not imply practical intelligence in the direct theory? So option number A, reshaping the environment. B, thinking practically about oneself only. C, choosing an environment in which you can succeed. D, adapting to the environment. So what would be the answer? The answer is B. Thinking practically about oneself only. This is the theory given by theoretic theory, right? The question number 28 on the screen. The following three aspects of intelligence are dealt by Sternberg's hierarchy theory except A. Componential, B. Social, C. Experiential, D. Contextual. So we will go with the option social. The next 29. Gardener's Howard Gardner, someone have called Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, emphasis on which A. General intelligence, B. Common agile like required in school, C. The unique abilities of each individual, D. Conditioning skill in student. We have a four option. The Gardner's emphasize on which A has given general intelligence, B. Common agilities required in school, C. The unique abilities of each individual, D. Conditioning skill in student. What would be the answer? That is the unique ability of each individual. C. The appropriate answer. The question number 30. It is the last question of this session and it is also very important for your CTET 2024. So option here, the sound TH, PH, CH are morphemes, graphemes, lexemes, phonemes. So what would be the answer of this question? So I think that D will be the answer. Let's see. Yes, D is the correct answer. That's it for today, my dear learners and my dear future of country. And we will meet in next session with a different question and different subject. So thank you all of you for watching this session or watching my video.